صباح الخير. اليوم عندي تمرين في الأوف رود بس في نفس المدرسة، طبعا بالتريكر هذا صغير ممتاز جدا. إن شاء الله تستمتعون معنا. عاد إذا طحنا اعذرونا.
Say a few words for you. I know that's a bit boring to work on a circle track, but what I need from you is that the basic elements will be kicked from you like a easy part. You won't waste time thinking about how to do this turn or that turn. It should be automatic, it should be really fast. So before we will go outside to while you were warming up here, I've made just a small lap to see the condition of the forest over here. The forest got a lot of difficulties right now. So it's fun, it's great, it's nice and it's gorgeous looking, but it's kind of heavy because it got immediately the water over there, the hot uphill immediately. Some place we can hit into the fallen log and we can't jump over it. We will need to override it through the forest, and that makes it a bit difficult. So before that I need to be, for example, we can hit the dead end in the forest where we will need to make a U-turn and get back and find another road and so on. So before that I need to be sure that you are quickly working with the at least easy parts. So over here, while we're making the same road, try the first step, same steps as we did on road. First step, where are your eyes? You need to throw your vision far away, like over here. I need to get between these bushes and I want to find the place where I will build the entrance, and I need to be a bit wider and I need to throw my eyes between them and to the exit. Throw them, hold the throttle. That won't waste too much energy. You will feel yourself much easier because now you are fighting very hard despite riding quite slow. So you are trying to stabilize the bike all the time. That takes a lot of effort from you, a lot of energy. While you get a bit more trust to your bike and a bit more working with the throttle, the bike feels itself much stable while you accelerating or decelerating, by the way. So if you will split your straight into the acceleration and braking, should make it much easier, because while under acceleration the bike's stable, then while under braking, the second part, under braking, the bike's still stable and you're trying to lean it, no problem. That will take away work from your hands, so you will not need to stabilize it and work. You just at the point over there, bam, accelerating over there. That's it. Let's go. Try to not over push it, but try to find places when you can go fast. Hold the bike with your legs, hold your seat actually while you're standing up correctly. Your legs are quite moved to the back, you're in an attacking position and your knees are not on the tank of the bike, they should be on the holding the seat of the bike, like somewhere over here you got it, with your knees. The second thing, you need to hold the throttle. Do not cut it off while you're hitting the top point. You know?
Keep it going.
Sorry.
Keep it going.
Yes, it's not supposed to be close, but if you got this habit, while you start jumping over the hills, your bike will go down hardly. So you need to hold it just to fly straight, not to let the bike drop down. Just hold the throttle bar. That's it. And once again, your eyes, they shouldn't, but you are doing really great on that. You should move like looking.
This is the beginning. This is my coach.
Hello.
Olek. Yes, go ahead.